Okay folks, for the penny line drawing for a photo, you need a 4x5 piece of paper. That's super important because that's the size we're going to use to make the photograph in the darkroom using the piece of paper. So 4x5, measure that out, cut it. If you can skip any kind of line paper, it would be better if it's blank computer paper. So it's fairly thin and there's no lines on it. You don't want to put your name on here because when we're done, we're going to be able to shoot light right through this paper, okay? And if your name is on one side, it's going to show through. All right, so all we want on here is circles and lines. All right, you're going to trace a penny or a nickel, trace those, come up with a composition. They can overlap, they can go off the edge of the paper, and then you're going to add lines. If you don't have a ruler, you can use a straight edge, a book, a magazine, and you're going to drop those lines in. They're going to go behind the circle, so as you make the line, it's going to stop, and it's going to start again over here. Then you're going to use pencil to shade. Okay, this one's been cut up a bit, but it's the example I had from a student. And you're going to shade in areas so it looks like they're spheres. Okay, and there's one where it's all shaded. And what you want to do when you're finished, you want to have about 1/3 of the paper completely black, super dark. All right, so maybe down here in the point of this triangle is super black. You put all kinds of graphite into it. And then 1/3 white, you haven't touched it at all. And then 1/3 those grays in between. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put this onto a piece of photo paper in the darkroom, expose it with the enlarger, all right, and we're going to make a photograph using your drawing. Right? Completely remote students, I'll have you drop off the drawing, or you can actually photograph it when we're done and send it to me, and we will make a photographic print for you so you can kind of see the whole process. As we are all remote right now, this will be due on Friday the 13th, November 13th, and hopefully, got here on my glasses, hopefully we'll be back together by then. But that's a penny line drawing, and that's all, folks.